man, Kalia Davis might finally be making his 49er debut. We've been waiting since last year. Obviously, we remember he got hurt at UCF. I think his last game of the season, which sucks. And he's been rehabbing this whole time. But now it's time, man. What do you think about this guy? Big boy, man. Big boy, fast guy. Used to be a linebacker. But what do you think? Do you think he has a chance of making the team? And is he going to be that guy to solve our freaking run defense? What do you think, man?
So it's still going to be up in the air if he makes a team. But this guy, he looks like a freak athlete. He's a big boy, but he's almost like a linebacker at the same time. He's crazy athletic. I do know small school, University of Central Florida. They don't play the greatest competition, but they did play in a bunch of big games, I think, while he was there. So that's always a good sign because that means they were led by really talented players. So I think he was one of those guys. So I don't know. I think he may have a chance just because our line isn't as great as past years as far as depth. Our first front four guys, they're a beast. But after that, I don't know who wants to take that spot. There's guys like Kinlaw who I still don't trust. There's a few other guys out there. So maybe this guy does have a chance just because how athletic he is and how big he is. So any added depth to that defensive line, I'm all in for it. But what do you think, man?
Yeah, man. We've been waiting since DJ Jones left last year for that guy that's a special guy against the run, man. We haven't had it. You know, Kinlaw was a disappointment last year. Hargrave, he's more of a pass rusher. You know, the best guy we have obviously is probably Armstead, but we want to have someone that was just amazing against the run. This guy might be it, man. He's built like DJ Jones, and we know how much we love DJ Jones. I think Harbaugh and Shanahan's biggest mistake was not playing DJ Jones in that Super Bowl when he could have been active, but we chose K1 with Alexander, and that was a big mistake because he ended up with the worst PFF grade in the Super Bowl. But I think this guy's he's a beast, man. What we've seen, those guys that used to play different positions, like remember that guy, the guy from the Bears, a linebacker, Urlacher. Urlacher. He used to be safety and a linebacker. This guy used to be a linebacker and a defensive tackle. So he's got the speed, and speed kills with that big pass rush. A big boy. He's not that tall. He's kind of like that Aaron Donald size. So I mean, he has that low leverage. So everything right there is amazing. What we heard was it yesterday, where he actually just pancaked Ty Davis Price, just actually bulldozed him. That's exciting to hear, man. To hear that, especially how our kind of defensive line we've been getting shredded against the run these two preseason games. And if he's out there and he could compete, play at a high level, I'm excited, man. It just could make this defense even better. Imagine that, having Hargrave and this guy coming out and being started. Oh man, I'm salivating right now. I'm absolutely salivating. So we'll see.
Yeah, and that's the thing, because like you said, Hargrave could get to the quarterback, but we do need that guy who's able to stop the run. That's what hurt us last year against Philadelphia. They beat us with the run.
Killed us on the
Jalen
run.
Hurts, yeah, he made a few good throws, but it was pretty much just that run that they shredded us. How many yards did they have on us? Like almost 200-ish?
Almost 300. It seemed like,
so,
yeah, it was crazy.
Yeah, that was pretty much our Achilles heel on defense. Other than that, everywhere else we're pretty stellar. So if we get a guy like who could be DJ Jones 2.0, that's just going to make us even better on the defensive side of the ball. We'll have no weaknesses. So hopefully this guy pans out and becomes that piece that we need.
Yeah, man, he's one of the key players I'm definitely going to be looking out for on Friday. Him, who else do you think? I think Oliver also. Oliver's a guy that I'm going to have to watch. If he's not going to perform this game, when is he going to perform good? Having 3 eggs in preseason. So these two guys are probably the biggest guys I'm going to be looking out for on Friday, man.
All right, well, you guys let us know in the comments what you guys think. Can he add to this team? Do you think he's going to make the team? Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. See y'all next time.
Peace.